Welcome to Review Rumble. The best beard outliner is probably one of the most essential tools for any man looking to achieve a sharp, well-defined beard style, offering precision and ease of use that traditional razors and scissors simply can't match, allowing you to sculpt your beard with confidence and achieve that perfectly groomed look every single time, saving you time and money on expensive barber visits while ensuring your facial hair always looks its absolute best. Number 5. Andis 04780 Professional T-Outliner Beard and Hair Trimmer. Experience unparalleled precision with this professional-grade grooming tool. Designed for the discerning individual, it offers a superior cutting experience. Its sharp carbon steel T-blade ensures clean and accurate lines every time. Achieve the perfect trim with confidence and ease. Say goodbye to irritation. This trimmer features advanced bump-free technology for a smooth, comfortable shave. Enjoy a close cut without the discomfort. Reliable corded power means you'll never run out of charge mid-groom. It's always ready when you are, providing consistent performance. Achieve salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. This tool is perfect for detailed outlining and shaping of beards and hairlines. Not only is it powerful, but it also boasts a sleek gray finish. This trimmer combines functionality with a stylish, professional aesthetic. What we like. This one offers a professional-grade T-blade for precise detailing. Its bump-free technology ensures a smooth, irritation-free experience. If you're looking for a reliable, corded option for consistent power during detailed work, this is a great choice. What people say. The beard outliner is easy to use and provides a clean trim. It has multiple attachments for different beard lengths. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several uses on a single charge. Number 4. FADEKING Professional Hair Clippers for Men. Introducing the FADEKING Professional Hair Clippers, designed for the modern man. Achieve a clean, sharp look with ease. This versatile tool functions as both a cordless barber clipper and a precise beard trimmer. Enjoy the freedom of cordless grooming wherever you go. The complete set includes everything you need for professional fades and detailed trimming. It's perfect for both home use and professional barbers. This is more than just a clipper, it's a complete men's grooming kit. Maintain your style effortlessly with this all-in-one solution. Looking for the ideal gift for the man in your life? This grooming kit is a thoughtful and practical present for any occasion. What we like. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation with this professional set. It includes everything you need for both clipper and trimmer tasks, offering barber quality results at home. If you value versatility and a complete solution for all your grooming needs, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. This beard outliner is very easy to use and provides a clean, precise trim. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold, making it simple to maneuver around the face. It comes with multiple attachments for different beard lengths, offering great versatility. Number 3. Aberlite ClearShaper 3.0 Beard Shaper Kit. Tired of uneven beard lines? Introducing the ClearShaper 3.0, the ultimate tool for a perfectly sculpted beard. Get salon-quality results at home. Its 100% clear design allows for precise visibility, ensuring you can see every detail as you shape. This makes achieving any style effortless. Whether you prefer a sharp jawline or a clean neckline, this tool offers many styles. It's designed to help you create your ideal look with ease. This premium shaping tool comes complete with 2 barber pencils. Use them to mark your desired lines before shaping for ultimate accuracy. Rest assured, this is a unique and innovative product, protected by U.S. patent. It's the ultimate solution for your beard and hairline lineup needs. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to professional precision. This stencil guide template is your new go-to for a flawless lineup every time. What we like. See exactly where you're cutting with its innovative 100% clear design. It provides multiple style options to achieve your desired look. If you're someone who needs absolute precision and wants to experiment with different beard and hairline styles, this patented tool is ideal. What people say. The beard outliner is easy to use and provides a clean, sharp line for beard shaping. It features multiple comb attachments for different beard lengths, allowing for versatile styling. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and maneuver for precise trimming. Number 2. Viking Revolution Beard Pen, 2-pack. Tired of patchy beards? Introducing the Viking Revolution Beard Pen, your secret weapon for a fuller, more defined look. Get ready to enhance your natural style effortlessly. This easy-to-use pen fills in any gaps with a natural-looking color. The included brush helps you blend for a seamless finish that looks just like your real beard. Don't worry about smudging or fading. Our formula is waterproof and designed to last all day, keeping your beard looking its best from morning to night. This pack comes with 2 black beard pens, ensuring you always have one ready to go. It's the perfect solution for maintaining a consistently sharp beard. Achieve the beard you've always wanted. This kit provides everything you need for a quick and effective touch-up, making beard grooming simpler than ever. What we like. Achieve a fuller look with this waterproof and long-lasting filler. It comes with a brush for easy application and blending. If you need a quick touch-up that stays put all day, or if you're looking to fill in patchy areas with confidence, this pen is your go-to. What people say. The beard outliner is very easy to use and gives a clean shave. It has a good grip and is comfortable to hold while trimming. The design is sleek and modern, making it a stylish addition to any grooming kit. Number 1. Biotin Beard Balm for Men. Tired of a sparse beard? Our Biotin Beard Balm is designed to give your beard and mustache a noticeably thicker appearance. Experience the difference with our advanced formula. Crafted with organic ingredients like castor oil and meadow foam, this balm nourishes your facial hair. It's the perfect way to support healthy growth while keeping your beard looking its best. This isn't just a styling product, it's a leave-in conditioner. It deeply hydrates your beard and the skin beneath, preventing dryness and promoting a softer, more manageable feel. Achieve your desired look with ease. Our mustache wax provides a natural hold, taming flyaways and shaping your beard and mustache for a polished finish throughout the day. For the man who wants it all, this is your all-in-one solution. It thickens, nourishes, hydrates, and styles, ensuring your beard is always in prime condition. What we like. This balm is designed to visibly thicken your beard with its 2x formula. Made with organic ingredients like castor oil, it also conditions and hydrates. If you're aiming for a fuller, healthier-looking beard and want the benefits of natural conditioning, this balm is an excellent addition to your routine. What people say. The beard outliner has a very precise cutting edge that allows for clean lines. It is easy to hold and maneuver, making it simple to shape your beard exactly how you want it. The battery life is surprisingly long, lasting for several grooming sessions on a single charge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.